The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wyandotte County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Clinton County in northwestern Missouri, Clay County, western Ray County, southeastern Platte County, northwestern Jackson County until 5 p.m. At 4:30.
Oh, there you go. Now you got the warning.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Riverside, moving north.
Oh wait, hang on. I am about to turn off again. Oh, wait. Did they just issue? Oh no, they expired a warning.
This is radar indicated threat.
Yeah.
The following impacts are expected. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kansas City, Independence, Liberty, Gladstone, Excelsior Springs, Smithville, Kearney, Parkville,
Oh,
North
yep,
Kansas
my
City,
town's in this.
Sugar Creek, Riverside, Lawson, Weatherby Lake, Cloud-Como, Kansas City, Kansas, Courtney, Kansas City International Airport, Pleasant Valley, Lake Wakamas.
Look at how big that is. That's like a 30-minute like area.
70 in Missouri between mile marker 0 and 4. Interstate 70 in Kansas between mile markers 416 and 423. Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers. Interstate 35 in Kansas near mile marker 235. Interstate 29 between mile marker 0 and 11. Interstate 635 between
It's a
mile
squall
markers
line,
2 and
y'all
12.
about saying.
Interstate 435 between mile markers 36 and 59. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I don't get this.
A severe thunderstorm.
Wait, hang on. There's like a little blob right here.
For the following county,
Look at that.
Wyandotte, Kansas, and the following counties in Missouri: Clay, Clinton, Jackson.
Look at a blob.
The severe thunderstorm warning for southeast.